Що, давай?
Now, this is
Це мене б'є, блін.
you don't tag in and out of the ring. So if one of these teams can take one of their opponents out of the picture,
От, я пішов туди
that
на роту.
situation.
Надо забрати.
Now taking this match outside. The ref can only watch and observe here as there are no countouts. Woo, a little showboating going on here.
I don't like the looks of this.
Up the ladder, and this is so dangerous.
The
Whoa.
briefcase is only inches away.
The loop bench press, and would you look at those shots?
Oh my God. Looks like he's having trouble staying in the ring. Oh no, watch out. Here we go. Wow, if he keeps this up, this could be over quick.
And now constructing a diabolical setup with that ladder.
Oh no,
That's a
massive
problem.
damage done there. And that knocked him into the middle of the next century. Watch out.
He's going back out.
Вова.
They hit the double team.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Oh, come on now. Put the damn monitor down. Oh, look out.
Remember, this is no
But they're not
disqualifications. That weapon is about as legal as a headlock. King, what a main event we have here tonight.
That's right. It's going to be a triple threat main event. Just think, Michael, you can lose the match without being pinned or submitted. Ah! Oh, big Irish whip right into that security wall. What's he going to do here? Oh, no! That one got him. Look at this. Ah, look at this. Hey, look!
Ой, яка кнопка бігати?
He's got a nasty-looking object in his hands.
Яка бігати?
Ah! Watch out here.
Бігати.
Watch it. Oh, look out. Ah!
And here's some more trash talking.
Oh, no.
And he's using that ladder like a tag team partner.
Ah! Ah!
That was unique.
Ah!
And again, the mind game